Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to verify age on Discord. Age verification on Discord is required to access age-restricted content or servers marked as 18+. Discord does not have a universal manual age verification button, but age checks can happen in a few specific ways. If you see an age verification prompt, Discord may ask you to confirm your date of birth when trying to access an age-restricted server or channel. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your age to continue. In some servers, moderators may require manual age verification, which can involve opening a ticket or reacting to a verification message. For example, some servers require reacting to a verification message to confirm eligibility. If your Discord account has an incorrect birthday, you will need to contact Discord support. Open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice and search for Discord support. Click the first result, sign in with your account, submit a request, and explain that your date of birth is incorrect. Discord may ask for additional information to verify your age, and the process can sometimes take several days. Keep in mind that if your account is below the minimum required age, access to certain features or servers may remain restricted. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.